All right, folks, here's a look at the scans for the coming session. This is going to be for Tuesday, the 10th of March, 2015. Not a lot of pressure on the market. In fact, aside from the news-driven items, we're kind of late on volume. Apple's fighting it out here with trying to figure out what they want to do here. Signal, Amazon's got a contract handle to the upside. Juniper's got a contract to the downside with some decent volume. Qualcomm as an upside signal. We do have a couple of volume bumps here. Netflix, they're trying to circle wagons here. That was down as much as 12, only down about 8 right now. So that's trying to pivot off after using the static trend line on the daily for support. We got pretty good volume in Win Resorts too. We traded that on the short side today. That hit a new 52-week low today. Win. Financials fairly light on volume. Maybe a touch to the buy side here, but nothing really definitive, especially in light of the fairly weak volume. Energy names are conflicted here between buys and sells. There is a lot of movement. CHK again moving. PBR, RIG having a very strong downside day. So make sure you take a look at those because we're seeing some good movement there. The generals, really light volume for the most part here. A little bit to the buy side, but again, it's on fairly light volume. Housing names, Hovnanian is the only one that's really moving here. We've got an open close deviation and almost a VWAP deviation and above typical volume. UPS is trading some decent volume, but this is setting up a downside CPS. Everything else is fairly light on volume in the transportation sector. And lastly, the commodities, mostly light volume except for Alcoa, a little M&A announcement there, so that's moving a little bit. Newmont, still really weak, but we didn't get any reversal signals just yet. The GDX or the XAU, whatever you prefer to track, is down more than 3% again today. So very sharp follow through again below where they left them off on Friday. Still pretty weak there. All right, folks. Good luck tomorrow. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.